Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to dark mode on Trello application. So how to dark mode on Trello application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Trello app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Trello app. Next, tap New Account at the bottom right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Tap the Settings menu. Tap Select Theme. And tap Dark. So that's it, tutorial how to dark mode on Trello application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.